Hi, this is Mr. Manga, and as per the requirement of our assignment, I'm going to compare two of the tools used in Linux, as I'm a student of networking in Melbourne Institute of Technology. And here I will be discussing about two tools among lot of tools in used in Linux. I'm going to talk about PowerTop and NMAN. Now I am going to start from Nmon, and first for installing the Nmon, we have this command. Same. So now I'm going to start with Nmon, and the command for installing Nmon is sudo space apt dash get space install install space Nmon, and press enter. After that, Nmon is being installed, and then type Nmon to see the rest of the features. Here you can see that C stands for CPU, as you can read in the tools as well, and here C stands for CPU utilization. And when I press N, it will go for the network error counters, and when I press T, it is for the top processes, and when I press D, it's for the disk input output allocations, and when I press K, it's for the kernel, and when I press R, it's for the resources, and when I press J, it's for the file systems. Now it shows from Nmon we can see the performance that the monitoring tools provide to the system in Linux operating system, and it all collects all types of useful information about the system that is really useful for the administrators to manage the system. And it also shows the CPU and CPU thread utilizations, and also CPU frequency for the servers, virtual machines that can alter the clock rates, and also the physical and virtual memory usage, and disk information, which is the most important one, and also the read-write services, and the waiting time, and the group as well, and as well as swapping and paging as well, and also local file system and the network file system resources in the virtual machine and servers. Now these are all the things that are used in Nmon. And now for quitting, and now I'm going to start PowerTop, and to start PowerTop, I have to type the command apt space apt dash get install PowerTop. And now it asks for do you want to continue? Then we have to press Y for yes. It will take some time to install. Now PowerTop started, and to see the features of PowerTop, we can see here in the screen as well. It shows the power saving. It is especially concentrated in the power saving modes in the user space, and it is possible to from PowerTop it is possible to monitor the processes and to show which of them are utilizing the CPU and wake it from the idle state, allowing identify application with a particular high power demand. In this case, PowerTop only deals with the power consumption, whereas in Anmon we can see most of the features which are not shown in PowerTop as well. Although both of the applications have their own differences, here we can see this is the overview of PowerTop, and here it is the idle statistics, and next is the frequency statistics, and next is device statistics, and next is the which of the runtime are good and which are bad. And comparing between these two applications, these two tools in Linux, PowerTop, in case of PowerTop, PowerTop is a simple tool that is only responsible that only diagnoses with the power consumption capabilities of Linux, and it has an interactive mode which we can run the experiment with various system-wide settings to get the best power management setting for the server. And in case of Anmon is a system management tool for monitoring the system memory uses, processes, measures. It helps in the troubleshooting system performance in the real time, which is used in Catodate. So in the concluding section, I would like to conclude that I highlighted I used two tools in Linux that can be used for two different types of usefulness. I used PowerTop, which basically focuses on the features of the power option, whereas Anmon have a wide range of usefulness and functionality in Bayberry. And I basically suggest system admin to choose what is the required system they need. If they want to monitor the power consumption, they can use PowerTop, whereas if they want to administrate the overall system, they can use Anmon as well. It depends upon the requirement what the system administrator is seeking for. Thank you.